and injuring dozens more, according to Israeli police. The IDF saying Iran launched dozens of missiles towards Israel.
UPTVBURUNDI.
This is the UPTVBURUNDI online TV on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, and all social media platforms. Please follow us.
Yes, murahawe ikaze kuri UPTVBURUNDI online TV on all social media platforms. Ugiye kuba amakuru ni zavye gisaro cyangwa ushobora kumwita IP256 yoje tugiye kuba amakuru yerekanye umutekano muke mu gihugu ca Isirayeli na Irani. Itariki 14 Ruheshi 2025. Kuri no gatandatu amakuru agezweho arerekana ko umutekano hagati ya Isirayeli na Irani wifashe nabi cyane. Inkuru zivuye mu binyamakuru mpuzamakungu zimenyesha ko Isirayeli yakoresheje indege zitagira abapilote kugira igabe ibitero ku bigo bya gisirikare bya Irani biri hafi ya Tehran. Mu gihe Irani nayo yatanze inyishu abategetsi ba Irani bavuga ko bariko bigwanira kugira bakingire igihugu cyabo ku bitero biva hanze. Haravugwa kandi ko hari abasivile bakomerekeye muri ibyo bitero. Umuryango w'abibumbye hamwe n'amakungu bariko barasaba impande zose guhagarika intambara kugira habe ibiganiro by'amahoro. Abanyagihugu benshi bariko barahunga mu bice bikomeye byugarijwe n'intambara. Umuryango ubugingo hariko harategurwa inama y'akamaro New York mu nama nkuru y'umutekano ku isi kugira bagire ico bavuga kuri iyi ntambara ikomeye ishobora kugwira mu bihugu by'akarere ka Europe, Asia ndetse na Afrika. Ayandi makuru muraza kuyakurikirana umwanya ku mwanya uko ibintu bigenda byiyongera, niko tuguma tubaha amakuru. Just mukomeze kudukurikirana kuri UPTVBURUNDI News. Ushobora kudownloadinga UPTVBURUNDI application cyangwa se ukadukurikirana ku mbuga ngurukanabumenyi nka Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, ariyo X na TikTok, cyangwa se www.uptvburundi.com. mwariko murumviriza amakuru kuri UPTVBURUNDI News with Zabyi. Thank you. Shalom.
Overnight, Iran's retaliation, missiles raining down on Tel Aviv, killing at least 3 and injuring dozens more, according to Israeli police. The IDF saying Iran launched dozens of missiles towards Israel. Air raid sirens heard in Tel Aviv as missiles fly over the city. The country's air defense system intercepting many, but not all. Iranian drones filling the sky in Tel Aviv seen halted mid-air, but some still making it through, smashing into buildings. In these dramatic videos circulating online showing the moment one plummeted into a building, causing a massive fireball, debris permeating the entire atmosphere. ABC News has geolocated this video showing smoke rising from the area of the Ministry of Defense complex in Tel Aviv, a nearby shopping mall damaged too. You can see a large emergency response. Iran claims it targeted the Ministry of Defense, but Israel has yet to confirm what exactly was hit. A security camera capturing this explosion of debris landing in a residential street. And this morning, daylight revealing the aftermath of this strike, hitting near homes. At least 2 people reported dead here, with 12 more injured, according to local medical responders.
You can see just how powerful these explosions were. Those buildings are crumbled in the distance, and debris is everywhere and cars destroyed. You can see that dust covering everything that's on the street here. We heard from officials that this happened as dozens of families were trying to evacuate, but sadly one woman passed away.
The barrage is Iran's response to Israel's stunning attack against its nuclear sites Thursday night. Explosions lighting up the sky in Tehran, killing 78 people, including top military leaders and government scientists. Israel had long telegraphed its intention to strike Iran, but the campaign itself, Operation Rising Lion, a joint effort between the IDF and Mossad intelligence agency, is seen as a dramatic escalation and a bigger, more targeted plan than many expected. And ABC News also learning Israeli spies from the Mossad intelligence agency had secretly infiltrated Iran, smuggling in explosive drones and other weapons. This video, Israeli officials say, shows Mossad commandos planting devices that would then take out Iran's air defense systems. With more than 200 aircraft hitting some 100 targets, this is now the biggest military operation for Israel since 1967, when the Israeli Air Force preemptively wiped out nearly all of the Egyptian Air Force.